All right, let me try this again. All right, everybody out there in the Craft Chest Nation, as I Craft Chest here, and my mission from Lowe's is complete, or halfway complete anyway. And I'm about to swing this camera around and show you the wood that we have going on here. Didn't get to finish my initial cuts because one of the associates that was actually going to help somebody else cut wood, I guess, got a little bit impatient and couldn't wait on me to finish mine. I mean, literally throwing his hands around, walking back and forth, turning at the wall, mumbling under his breath, saying stuff to the customer that he was with. I don't know if he knew this woman or not, but if he didn't, that was very, very uncool. All right, so you, sir, need to chill out. And the guy that was actually cutting my wood, he was going to finish the cuts, but I said, no, man, go ahead and just let this be the last one. It'll fit in my car. That's all I wanted, for it to fit in my car. My man over here looks like he's getting impatient. I don't know, UFC fight up inside of Lowe's or something like that going on. I'm not stereotyping, but you know, tattoos all up and down his arms, on his neck. And it's amazing to me that people like that can get jobs at Lowe's, but I can't even get an interview. I'm just saying, and I've been doing this 25 years. Retail, that is. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But I appreciate your help, sir, the one that cut my wood, so much. You helped me out in a way that you just don't understand. I mean, not everybody's got a car. This ain't Blizzard. Not everybody's got a phone. You got phones, don't you? Not everybody's got a truck or is able. So thank you so much. And these cuts are actually a little bit different, which I'll briefly go over, but I'm going to give you the initial sizes that I went with. So let's swing the camera around so this phone doesn't lose aspect ratio. And as you can see, this is the piece where I told him to actually stop because it was supposed to be only 4 cuts. I wanted these ripped down. As you see, this piece right here is a good example, though, to give you, I guess it's a good thing that I stopped. But you have the piece of wood, whether it's birch or MDF. This right here being an experiment, we just went with MDF. 16-16, rip it twice down the length of it. And then these are cut in 32-inch pieces. The reason why is because overall in my car, whether it's in the back seat, the trunk, the little space in between the back seat and the trunk, are all 32 inches on average. And so that way I can move the box around in the car, and there you go. Now you'll notice that these pieces right here are a little bit wider. That's because MDF comes as, I wouldn't say a true 4x8 piece, but they're not 100%. They're not like normal pieces where they're like, you know, 3 and 9, 96, 82nd, 1000s or whatever it is. They're actually 4 foot by 8 foot pieces. You do get that much. And I'm actually gonna have to shave some down, which is a good thing. And this last piece here I may not even need, and if I don't, I'm gonna turn that into a shelf because this right here is just a little workbench right here, and I might actually replace that with this piece down here. But these are gonna be my initial box for the car. And this right here is just mainly, let me swing this back around. This right here is mainly just going to be for me to actually see how my sound chamber is in this particular vehicle. It'll also let me find my rattle points so I can fix that. The 6x9s in here actually, got the punch 45. That's a different video though. I'll talk about that in a different video. But we hooked the punch 45 up to the ARC Audio 6x9s, and I could leave it at that actually. And I got door speakers in, Blaupunk door speakers. We got the Blaupunk head unit, which is not going to be final. All this is just initial test because, once again, I've had this car since 2005. It's never had a system in it. It's just been a straight, like, sports car. You know what I mean? And I know a lot of people say, who's Chevy Cobalt Sports? Yeah, it's not stock. All right, so it's always been built for performance and not for audio. So now we're going to change that over and fool around with my car a little bit and just get the sound chamber. Not gonna put a lot of power to it until we get the electrical right. I've already picked out an alternator that we're gonna be ordering up. I've picked out a battery and probably a capacitor that we're gonna use also. And the reason I'm looking crazy is there was a big old fat wasp just fly right by me. I don't know if that came in the camera frame or not. It's wasp season. I gotta get up out of here and start spraying. All right, but anyway, that's enough of this, and I might splice in a little bit of a vlog at the tail end of this video. If not, it's a crack to the mind. Go out there and have some fun. We'll see you on the next one. It's box time, baby. Woo! And we'll be documenting it, so don't worry about it. See you later.